Welcome back to the Performance Improvement video training series on how to use the Performance Improvement SharePoint site template. This is video 7, a tutorial in which we'll discuss adding a hyperlink to the SharePoint page. Adding a hyperlink is a useful way for making an external web page available to the team. I'm going to demonstrate how to add the web address of an external web page has a link in the links web part on the landing page for your SharePoint sites. To do so, what you'll want to do is navigate to the external web page that you wish to share with the team. I currently have that web page up in a separate window. So what I'm going to do is navigate to that web page. I've found a relevant article for the team that I want them to read. On the American Academy for Family Physicians, I have found an article titled Improving Patient Care, Rethinking Refills. What I want to do is copy the web address for this page by selecting the information in the address toolbar. When you select it, you'll notice that all the content is highlighted in blue. Simply right-click on your mouse and select Copy. You've now copied the information from the external website. You're ready to navigate back to your SharePoint site and over to the links web part in the right sidebar. You'll see under the links web part there's a blue hyperlink titled Add New Link. Click on that. After the web page refreshes, you'll notice that you're looking at a form titled Links. New item. On this form, you'll notice that there's 3 fields to be filled out. The first field is the field in which you'll enter the web address. The second field is a field in which you can type a description about the article. In this case, I'll include the title of the article, and a field for you to list notes about the article. Let's start by copying and pasting the web address into the first field. What we'll do is quickly delete the contents of the web address field, and because we have already copied the information from the external site, simply right click in the field and select paste, which will bring over the web address. We'll then progress to the next field and input the title of the article, which is Rethinking Refills, and navigate to the notes field and provide a brief description of what the article is, and that is that it's an article regarding the importance of med refill management. And once we have the form completed with the web address, the title for the article, and a brief note or description on the article, we can select OK and accept the new item. And as the web page refreshes, you will see that you are returned to the links folder, which is highlighted here underneath the breadcrumbs. So we are on the med refill page, one level down, looking at the links folder, in which we can see our new hyperlink Rethinking Refills is listed. What we'll do is navigate back to the landing page so that you can view the link in the web part. So click back to your landing page, and as you return to that landing page, we'll bring our attention over to the right hand toolbar here, in which you see links web part Rethinking Refills. In order to ensure that the article's working, what I'll do is actually close the external web page so that as I click on the link, it will open a new window and go to that web page to ensure that it's working. So I'm going to click on the link and ensure that I do navigate to the proper page. And as you see here, I'm looking at the same article that I had previously had up in the other browser. And it's important to understand that this article is being displayed in the same window that the SharePoint site was open in. So it's important not to close this window thinking that it's going to return you to the SharePoint site landing page. In order to arrive back at the SharePoint site landing page, what you'll want to do is hit the back arrow, and that will return you to the SharePoint site landing page from which you originally accessed this hyperlink. We'll allow one moment for the web browser to catch up with us so that you can see we are returning to our landing page. And again, here is the hyperlink that we've recently added. And that concludes the tutorial on adding a hyperlink to the SharePoint site page. Thank you.